Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm going to show you how to create transports in Thru. After creating organizations, you can then set up transports, which are file exchange workflows by which files are delivered. Organizations must subscribe to transports to be included in a file transfer process. It's easy to set up. Let me show you. After signing into Thru, click on the cloud icon located on the left vertical navigation bar. Once on the transport page, click Add a Transport button. Give the transport a name. Click Next. You can choose between Boomi MuleSoft connectors or select No Connector. Our transports require No Connector. We're going to select No Connector. Thru has 6 different types of transports to meet your business needs. 3 boxes on the top are types that can be used with connector for an iPaaS integration solution. 3 boxes below are for direct delivery. Let's click one-to-many, then click Next. Click Next again. Click Create Transport button to finalize the one-to-many transport creation process. We're not done just yet. We still need to add a source org. Click the transport name and then click Properties icon. Select Org Source from the drop-down list and click OK to save changes. Congratulations, you're all set. Don't forget, subscribe your additional target organizations to the new transport. Also configure your org endpoints on each process page. If you want to learn more, visit thruinc.com/support.